Hello, this is Dee with T Designs by Dee, and thank you so much for joining me today as I walk you through how to connect your Canva account to the Atlanta Vinyl Game Builders. Yes, you heard me right. You can create designs in Canva, and in essence, you can connect your Canva account to Atlanta Vinyl so that you can build game sheets right there in Atlanta Vinyl. So let's get started. So when you access the Atlanta Vinyl homepage, you'll see that you will have an option to build the gang sheet. You'll click that button and it'll take you to the page that you'll be able to select the size of gang sheet that you want to create, and it'll give you the prices for each one, and then you can just select the button that says build your gang sheet. Now on that page, you'll see that you have a couple of options. You can auto build, you can use a previous game sheet, or you can create a new one. On the left hand side though, you'll see where the Canva icon is highlighted. Select that icon, it'll give you a screen where you can connect your Canva account, and it'll bring in all the images that you have saved within your projects. Now when you click one of them, as you see on the screen, you have the option of selecting the design that's on a particular page, or you can bring all the items in at once. The only thing I don't like about it is if you can bring all the items in, all the designs in at once, there's no way to separate them to say that you want a specific design to be a specific size. You have to bring them in one by one, and that's the only thing I do not like. One of the great features I do like about it is though that you can specify, no matter what size you saved it in the Canva, the design, you can specify what you want the dimensions to be, and you can also upscale them. So those are two great features that I really like. I'm just bringing in my logo just to fill up the blank area so that I can make the best out of the spacing that I have. So I'm just gonna bring in the rest of these logos just to fill the paper up, the page up.